Here's a pair of Sony earbuds. I'm going to show you how to connect or pair this to an Android phone or a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, the model number of these earbuds is WF1000XM4. And this phone, this is a Samsung Galaxy S20, which is an Android phone. All right, so let's go ahead and put these in a pairing mode. Okay, first thing. All right, so to put it in pairing mode, what you want to do is open it up, take both earbuds out, and then you want to put them in your ear. After you put them in your ear, you want to press and hold right here, the sensor. Press and hold for about 5 seconds or until you hear it is in pairing mode, okay? So we'll do it together, okay? Take out both earbuds. I'm going to put it in my ear right now. All right. Now I'm holding both buttons here. Okay, it says Bluetooth pairing now. Okay, so now just go to your settings, Bluetooth settings. So go to your settings, and then go to Bluetooth, or mine's connections, and then Bluetooth, and then we should see, yeah, it's right here, the WF1000XM4. That's the Sony earbuds. Tap on that right there. You see that it's pairing. Request to pair. I'm going to tap on pair right there. Earbuds just said Bluetooth connected. And under Bluetooth, you can see that it's connected, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you have trouble, if you can't put it into pairing mode, or you can't connect it, other issues or whatnot, what you can do is you can factory reset these as well. So let's pretend I have an issue with connecting or pairing, okay? Then I'll just factory reset these, okay? So how do you factory reset these? Very simple. Put both buds back in, close it, and then open it, and now the sensors are here. Press and hold the sensors and leave it there for 10 seconds or until you see a red light. Okay, so we'll do it together. Factory reset right now. Ready to go. Open it up. Press and hold both sensors and just keep holding it there until this light here turns red. It usually takes about 10 seconds. Just wait. I'm still waiting. When's it gonna turn red? There's red right there. Let go, and now it turns green, and it stops, and boom. You just factory reset these. Now go ahead and try to connect and pair to a phone. Good luck.